First, we'll pull the glove box down. On the right side, there's that damper that needs to be pulled out. We'll grab the damper and then just pull it out. Make sure to push the damper a little inside, just like that. Now notice there is that one pointer that we have to pull out as well. Same pointer from the other side also needs to be pulled out. Once both the pointers are pulled out, then we will just grab the cover for the glove box and then pull it downwards. Right there is a position for cabin air filter. We'll need to take this plastic cover out. Just press that tab on the corner right there and then pull that plastic cover outwards. There's that cabin air filter. We will just slide it out. That is how we take out the cabin air filter. Now in my case, the cabin air filter is good, so I will be installing it back. Suppose you have a new filter and you want to install it back. Just make sure that this arrow sign is pointing towards downwards and you have that part number written right there as well. We'll punch in the filter back where we took it out from. We make sure the left side filter is in first. Then we punch in the right side, making sure it's all the way in, not coming out, and once it's completely in, then we will go ahead and put back this cover. Notice the cover has a tab on the left side that needs to be slided in. So we will go ahead and slide that tab inside that position right there. Once the left tab is completely in, then we will close the cover like a door until we hear a clicking sound. Just like that, the cover is installed. Now we will go ahead and slide the glove box upwards. And there you would notice both the pointers are completely in. From the right side, using your finger, just pull out the damper first. Once the damper is pulled out enough, then we punch it in that tab. Now we're good to close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.